Yes, we're good. Hello and welcome back to Josh Oddy YouTube. Today, we're actually at the Chiropractors.
Why'd you say it like that?
Is it not chiropractor?
Chiropractor.
How would you say it then?
Chiropractor.
We're at the Chiropractor. I'm going to show you what I go through to get my body in a good condition to be able to swing the golf club freely and comfortably. Do you want to take that now?
Yeah, well, I'll clip it onto you when it's... Right, first of all, you're going to sit up straight.
Roger that. Oh, I'm so tight.
Yeah.
Haven't seen you in a while. Have you been busy?
Stop it. So you feel how this joint moves quite nicely?
Yeah.
Nice and spongy, springy?
Yeah. Oh.
That doesn't want to move.
Yeah.
And you can see the difference in muscle tone.
What, on the back?
Yeah.
What, right side stronger?
Yeah. And right shoulder higher.
Right shoulder higher?
Yep.
That's weird. Because in golf it's normally like that.
Yeah, but you're not doing golf at the moment. It's compensation.
Yeah, I guess so if I'm like that, like that, like that.
Cross your hands up onto the opposite shoulders and then twist round to the right as far as you can go. Same thing on the other side.
Oh, left is so tight.
Yeah. Drop your chin to your chest. You can relax your arms down now. And then look up to the ceiling. And then look straight ahead. Look over your right shoulder. Look over your left shoulder. Oh, look straight ahead. And then drop your right ear to your right shoulder.
Oh.
Same thing on the other side.
Oh.
God, you're awful going to the left. Awful.
Tight as a duck's.
Yep.
I'll bleep it.
Nice. Can I crack your neck?
Maybe we could have a go.
Yeah, for the video. I'm gonna do this one here.
Oh. 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 Oh, I think I'm going to tense up now.
Yeah, wiggle your toes.
Oh.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Think of playing golf.
Playing golf. Wiggling. Oh, I'm too tense.
Yeah, hands on the back of your head. And then squeeze your elbows together. Drop your chin. Right, lay on your back, head on here. On your back. On your back.
My bad.
On your back. Legs are a good even length.
They're even?
Yeah.
Oh, this tickles me.
That isn't even. So the right side of your pelvis has dropped closer to the bench.
Is it?
Yep. Bend your left leg. Back down. Okay, lay on your right side, so you're facing that way. Straighten both your legs, bend your left one. Bring the pelvis on your right leg.
Oh. Oh my god.
Same thing on the other side.
Oh. Are they as crunchy for normal people?
Oh yeah, get more out of other people than that.
Really?
Yeah, bend your right leg.
Oh my good God. Oh my God.
And then on your front, you're going to have to take your hat off now.
Cracking hell.
Okay, deep breath in. Breathe it all the way out. The noises. Put your left hand on your left hip. And push your elbow back. Push it. Push it hard.
What the hell was that? I'm guessing you want to do right side.
Yeah.
What the hell was that?
Push it back hard.
Oh my good God! What? I've never done that one.
Nice.
Nice,
There you
nice. Is that all done?
go. Yeah.
Okay, and we're back from the treatment with Melissa. Really, really productive, and always is a part of the golf that's underlooked is the physical side of it and keeping your body in shape to be able to play good golf. And that for me is something that is really, really underlooked for how your golf performance is. You know, if you're struggling to turn in the backswing, you're not going to be able to get in these positions that you need to do to be able to hit good golf shots. So, you know, I'd highly recommend people go into the chiropractor, physiotherapist, just getting the body looked at and making sure you're in a good, healthy body to be able to move correctly in the golf swing. So I'm going to take you through a couple of stretches that I like to do just for daily maintenance, and keeping the body in a good place to play golf. So first off, we're going to go into a lunge, and then I like to feel like I push this until I get a nice stretch in the front of my quad here. I'm not a PT by any means, but these are just stretches that I've got over the years. So I'll kind of bounce into that and just keep it dynamic, keep it moving. I don't really like holding stretches. I try and keep everything pretty dynamic, and I'm just working that muscle here, just getting that stretch. And then I'll put my right arm on to my left leg here, and then I'll just stretch and rotate the body round. So that's just a good rotational one as well. So we've done that on the right side. Now we go on to the left side. Getting that bounce into the stretch. And same thing here. Good stretch there. Okay, then I like to go into one called the 90-90. So put your left leg at a 90-degree angle, right leg at a 90-degree angle. And then you're just going to lean over that lead leg. Really, really good stretch, this one. And like I say, try and keep it pretty dynamic. Don't stay in that same position for too long. Maybe do this 3 to 5 times on each side. A really, really nice stretch. Swap legs. And you can actually do it the other way as well. So when you actually lean back, you're getting a stretch into this other leg. Really, really good one. Okay, so now I'll actually grab a golf club and I'll get some rotational stuff with the top half only. So really trying to get that stretch on the top half, not moving the bottom half. And you see how bad my left side turn is. It's terrible. Just saw it with Melissa down at the chiropractors there as well, but you know, obviously just years of turning into this right side. My flexibility this way is great. Going this way, not so much. So, you know, always got part of the body that we need to work on and get better. So, once I've done that, I think just a really, really good one before going out to play is put the club right in front of you and just get the rotational as much as you can, and often get a few cracks in the back when I'm doing this. But well, we've had a cracking time already this morning. We aren't getting any, but this is great for the body, just getting it moving. And then last but not least, obviously since going to Liam, the movement side of the golf's been great for me. But I'll actually go through the movement without a golf club. So onto trail side, into lead, bang. And I'll go through this 5 times. Just getting that sequence in. All as one move. Okay, and that was a little video without any golf in it, but these are all things that help me get that golf move dialed in and making sure my body is in a good place to be able to move correctly. You know, having a good golf swing is one thing, but having a good body to be able to move correctly is another. You know, you might not be able to get in them positions because your body is not in a great place to do that, you know. So never underlook how and where your body is at before getting a golf lesson. I'd actually arguably say this stuff is probably more important than the golf swing, because if you can't move correctly, you're never going to be able to get a good golf swing. So don't underlook this stuff. Go and see a chiropractor, go and see a physiotherapist. Make sure you're keeping on top of that fitness and how the body is moving. Try a few of them stretches. I do them pretty much daily. And like I say, go and see Melissa every kind of couple of weeks, just to make sure the body is in a great place as well. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. I'm going to leave Melissa's channel also below. Go and subscribe to her. She's going to be posting a load more stuff for the chiropractor scene, so check out her stuff. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all for the next one.